Okay, so I have developed what would appear, according to Google, to be a ganglion cyst in my wrist. Also, according to Google, and then I watched a few YouTube videos, the Bible method is frequently used to pop this cyst. So here I go. Ready? See the cyst on my wrist? And of course I have a nice, steady, heavy Bible. And here I go. And I'm scared. Ready? 1, 2. I don't think I did it hard enough. Oh yeah, I did. It popped. It's gone. Is it gone? It's totally gone. That's why they do it. Wow. I feel like a warmth in there, like as it dissipates or whatever it's doing. Okay, yay, it's gone. I popped my cyst using the Bible method. Huh. Okay. That was easy. So I guess it was a cyst. Night night.